Hey guys, it's Brandon here. Just gonna do a little inspection result with you, kind of show you what I look for personally whenever I get up on your roof. So check it out. Front, you're gonna see gutter hit here and a chocolate. It's hard to see with the sun, but it's the same color. There you go, you can see. Now, found an earring. Turn that to the homeowner. You got the right side here. There you go. Now you can see this one better, I think. There you go. That's what you kind of do there. You can see that the nails pulled through. So really all you have to do, all you do is this here. Just go along. Just barely pull up. Nothing comes up. Look, same thing. See what happens? And then you see they lift up together. Hope you learned a little bit. Other than that, I hope you're staying safe, staying blessed.